This motorcycle flies and shoots video while it does. Why choose between an RC bike and a drone when you can have both in one wild package? Meet the HHDH6, a shape-shifting toy that transforms from a ground racing motorcycle into a flying drone in seconds. Its wheels double as propellers, snapping into flight mode with just a few quick moves. But it doesn't stop there. The H6 also features a built-in camera that streams real-time video straight to your phone via Wi-Fi. Think sharp images are impossible on a moving drone? Not with this one. It can hover mid-air, reducing shake and keeping footage clear. Control it with a remote or your phone. You'll get 8 minutes of flight time or 15 minutes on the ground, with a range of up to 50 meters, all for around $57. Now, if you're more into robot battles than flight, check out Ganker, a combat-ready bot built for multiplayer fun. Customize weapons, upgrade armor, and control it via a smartphone app. The fights are safe. Hits are detected by sensors, not actual impact. It's strategy, skill, and coding, all rolled into one epic toy. One Ganker costs about $400. Playtime just got a serious upgrade.
Ever wanted to fly a bush plane that looks as good as it performs? The Onfabi 65-inch Bushmaster, priced at $380, brings rugged style and serious capability to the skies. Inspired by the real thing, this RC airplane blends high-performance design with a handcrafted look that turns heads mid-flight. Its frame combines balsa wood, carbon fiber beams, and aluminum alloy for a build that's light but incredibly strong. Reinforced wing splints and a tough fuselage keep it solid during tricky maneuvers. With a 66-inch wingspan and a flight weight just over 2.5 kilograms, it delivers smooth, responsive handling in a range of conditions. Setup is quick, with a horizontal stabilizer and pontoons that install in minutes, boosting both air and water versatility. Powered by a Sunny Sky 3520 motor, the Bushmaster is built for those who value both form and function. It's not just a plane, it's craftsmanship in motion. Ever dreamed of piloting a chopper that feels almost real? Meet the Flywing Bell UH-1V, a GPS-powered RC helicopter that blurs the line between toy and tech marvel. With 6 channels and cutting-edge GPS stabilization, this beast offers precise, hands-free hovering from every direction. It's not just stable, it's smart. Thanks to features like BEI positioning and a top-tier H1 flight controller, you can toggle between GPS, 3D, and semi-automatic flight modes with ease. Power? It's got plenty. A dual brushless motor setup, including a 358 class main motor and 60 AESC, delivers reliable thrust and smooth control. The craftsmanship stands out too. A 750mm fuselage, 810mm rotor span, clear windshield, and realistic exhaust make this model a visual stunner. And when you're done flying, one-button return and low battery auto return bring it back safely. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this chopper offers high-performance flight without the learning curve. The Flywing Bell L1V isn't just an RC helicopter. It's the future of realistic, next-level flying. Ready for takeoff? This plane doesn't just fly, it performs like a stunt champion. The Aero's Edge 540, 1300mm PNP, is a $280 aerobatic beast built for serious 3D maneuvers. Modeled after the high-performance ZCO Edge 540, famous at airshows and competitions, it's designed to thrill, flip, and twist with precision. Its bold orange color isn't just for style, it boosts visibility for better orientation during complex stunts. Powered by a 4,250 910 kV motor and a 60 AESC, it delivers massive thrust for rolls, loops, and inverted flying. With a 0-degree wing angle and large control surfaces, every movement is sharp and responsive. Need more control? The built-in Vector Gyro system helps keep things stable, giving pilots added confidence in the air. It's made for intermediate to advanced flyers who crave excitement and challenge. This isn't just flying, it's freestyle in the sky. Meet the world's first jet fighter, shrunken down and ready to fly. The E-Flight UMXM-262 is a $200 ultra-microjet that packs history, speed, and control into a palm-sized replica. Straight out of the box, it's ready to take off and deliver thrilling performance. Powered by dual 30mm EDF motors and compatible with 3S batteries from 600 to 850 mAh, it offers fast, agile flights with surprisingly long airtime. AS3X stabilization and optional Safe Select tech keep it smooth and beginner-friendly, even in tighter flying spots. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for backyards, parks, or indoor arenas. With fixed landing gear for easy takeoffs and landings, it's as accessible as it is fun. Whether you're a history buff, a casual flyer, or chasing speed in small spaces, this jet delivers. Iconic design, modern power, all in the palm of your hand. Feel the roar of a fighter jet, right from your backyard. The MJ-10 EDF jet isn't just another RC plane. It's a high-speed marvel designed for thrill seekers. With its sleek delta wing and canard layout, it cuts through the air with precision at any speed. Whether you're zipping through straightaways or pulling tight maneuvers, it stays locked in and responsive. Powered by an 11-blade 64mm ducted fan and a 3,150 kV brushless motor, this beast delivers authentic jet-like sound and performance using standard 4S batteries. Built tough with EPO40 foam and coated in water-resistant paint, it's ready to fly in real-world conditions. Shock-absorbing CNC landing gear, detachable weapons, and air refueling probe add to its detailed, battle-ready look. It takes about 30 minutes to assemble for seasoned hobbyists, and optional paint schemes, like the August 1st aerobatic team, let you make it your own. More than just a model, it's a full-throttle experience in your hands. Ready to graduate from your first plane? The E-Flight Sport Cub 1.1M is the perfect next step, sleek, stable, and built for pure flying fun. Priced at $270, this RC plane is ideal for intermediate pilots craving precision aerobatics, or seasoned flyers who just want a smooth, stress-free ride. With a compact 1.1-meter wingspan, it's easy to transport and fits right into your trunk, perfect for park sessions or wide-open RC fields. Its AS3X stabilization keeps the plane steady in breezy conditions, while Safe Select gives newer pilots an extra layer of control when they need it most. The BNF Basic version includes metal gear servos, a dependable Aviation 45 AESC, and supports both 3S and 4S batteries for flexible power options. Built-in LED navigation lights boost visibility and realism, while the quick assembly means less setup, more sky time. Whether you're carving loops or just cruising, the Sport Cub delivers responsive, confident handling. It's more than an upgrade, it's a passport to the next level of RC flying. When you're ready to go from just flying to flying with style, the Sport Cub 1.1M is your ride. Small in size, fierce in the air, the OMP Hobby M2 Explorer packs pro-level performance into a compact $280 package. Powered by a dual brushless direct drive system, this heli delivers smooth, high-performance 3D flight while keeping noise to a minimum. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the adjustable flight controller ensures sharp, precise control at every turn. One standout feature is the T6 transmitter with real-time battery monitoring, giving you instant feedback mid-flight without the guesswork. It's equipped and long-term durability. Inside, high-quality MOSFETs in the dual ESCs boost performance and reliability under pressure. With 3 flight modes, stabilizing attitude, soft 3D, and full aggressive 3D, the M2 Explorer grows with your skills, making it a versatile tool for hobbyists pushing the limits of flight. But make no mistake, this heli is no toy. It's built for experienced users who know their way around serious gear. Looking for serious power wrapped in sleek design? The Blade Fusion 480 is built for RC pilots who demand precision, speed, and durability, all in one aggressive performer. At $700, this helicopter doesn't mess around. Its 2mm carbon fiber frame and oversized 25mm tail boom offer rock-solid stability and strength. A belt-driven tail and steel main shaft deliver pinpoint tail control, even during sharp, high-speed maneuvers. It's engineered for performance with a high-strength steel pinion and efficient helical main gear that keeps noise low and handling smooth. The Fusion 480 can rip through the air with a head speed of up to 3,000 RPM. And it stays sleek doing it, thanks to a hidden tail servo and clean, streamlined build. It comes as a power combo with motor and ESC included, a smart deal for pilots looking to upgrade their setup. Standard-sized servos offer reliable movement, while compatibility with Real Flight Simulator makes it great for practice without the pressure. The Blade Fusion 480 isn't just a helicopter, it's a training ground for greatness. For intermediate to advanced flyers, this machine brings style, power, and control in every flight. Precision meets power in the Align TB60, a sleek, $1,500 RC helicopter built to push performance to new heights. Its lightweight canopy, just 120 grams, features a smart press buckle system for quick battery swaps, cutting downtime between flights. Under the hood, a two-stage carbon fiber frame adds strength without the bulk, making the build both tough and easy to maintain. Flight control is where it really shines. A CNC machined aluminum rotor head lowers the center of gravity, giving you rock-solid stability, especially during aggressive 3D moves. The upgraded swash plate design is built to endure, keeping everything locked in place even under extreme stress. At the tail, you'll find an adjustable belt drive and a quick-release gearbox, a combo that delivers smooth, efficient power and simple tuning when needed. Add its clean, aerodynamic look, and the TB60 doesn't just fly well, it looks the part too. For pilots who crave elite-level engineering without sacrificing usability, the Align TB60 offers precision, power, and style in every takeoff. This isn't just an RC helicopter, it's a statement in the sky. Learning to fly just got a whole lot easier. Meet the Blade Revolution 90 fluorine monophosphide, the ultimate beginner-friendly RC helicopter built for stress-free takeoff. At just $100, it's the perfect entry point into the world of flying. With exclusive safe technology on board, it keeps things steady in the air, giving new pilots the confidence to learn without constant corrections. Activate the optional altitude hold, and the chopper practically hovers itself, so you can focus on flight basics, not the fine-tuning. This ultra-micro helicopter comes fully assembled and ready to fly right out of the box. Its compact size is perfect for indoor flights, while the fixed-pitch rotor head keeps operations simple and efficient. Pair it with the included Spectrum SLT6 transmitter and 2.4 GHz tech, and you've got smooth, responsive control in the palm of your hand. A rechargeable LiPo battery and USB charger come included for convenience, no extra hassle. And the best part? No FAA registration or remote ID needed. Just power on and fly. For newcomers looking to take off without the turbulence, the Blade Revolution 90 FP makes flying fun, fast, and frustration-free. Unleash the thrill of fighter jet performance in a compact, manageable package. The E-Flight Viper 64mm EDF jet, priced at $270, is designed for intermediate to experienced pilots seeking both speed and stability. It combines the heart-pounding agility of a jet with the steady control of a sport airplane, making it perfect for precision aerobatics and smooth flights. Powered by a 64mm 11-blade fan and a high-power outrunner motor, it delivers impressive speed and performance, using standard 4S 2200 to 3200 mAh batteries. The Smart Spectrum Avian 70 AESC ensures flawless control, while the Bind and Fly version includes a S3X and Safe Select technology for extra stability, ideal for first-time EDF pilots. Easy to launch and land, this jet offers a versatile and exciting flying experience. Whether you're mastering loops or simply enjoying a high-performance flight, the Viper is built to impress. For those ready to take their jet flying to the next level, the Viper is your perfect wingman.